Mala here. Welcome to your 5-minute fixed workout of the day. So, use this workout as a finisher of your daily workout or as a solo workout in the days when you don't have time. You can always squeeze in a 5-minute workout, and the best part, you don't need any equipment at all. We have 2 exercises. We're gonna perform each one for 30 seconds 5 times. Okay? We have wall squat and plank. Let's do this. Okay, my timer is ready. On. Let's go. We're gonna start. Oh, too loud. In 15 seconds, we're gonna start with our wall squat. Find a wall, squat down, 90-degree angle. Get ready. In 2, 1, and go and hold 30 seconds. We can do this. Woohoo! Legs on fire. Love this. Just think for something nice and stay with me. We can do this. We can do this routine, okay? I'm gonna use the plank for my active rest and recovery because I hate the wall squat. Who doesn't? And up. Okay, down plank. No rest. Make sure your body is aligned. And up, back to the wall squat, drop and hold. I'm already dying, but I'm not gonna quit. Hold, press your back to the wall. Stay with me 10 more seconds, 10 more seconds. Okay, great. Down on the mat. Hold, plank. Enjoy the plank. And that's how they learn to love planking. Almost there. Okay, third set, back to the wall squat. Hold. You can do this workout in your hotel room, in your living room, in your bedroom, anywhere. So no excuses, please. You just need a wall and that's it. And your body. Plank. We're halfway through the 5 minutes. Holding in isometric contraction is one of my favorite ways to work out. It really gives me a great burn. And back to the wall squat. Oh my God. We're almost there. Okay, minute and a half. Hold. And back to wall squat. Hold. Hold, hold, hold. This is your last interval of wall squat. You can finish strong. It's only less than 10 seconds. Hold. Finish it. And up for the last 30 seconds of planking. Hold and breathe, stay with me. And drop and rest. Well done! I'm super proud of you. You did it. 5-minute workout fix done. So thank you once again for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this workout and if you want me to make more quick fix workouts. Of course, leave me a comment and tell me what do you want me to film for you. Follow me on social media and I'm gonna see you next time. Be good, feel good and stay active.